Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking audio routing and loudness so the net sound can cut through. First, switch your output to stereo or 5. And run the in-game preview. This reveals whether the mix favors commentary or effects. Once done, raise effects to full and keep master near 80% so clipping is avoided. Pick a stadium and ball with bright acoustics and equip boots that accentuate impact. Do this now, don't delay. These settings shape every goal sound you'll make. Now you refine the how. Choose the shot type that produces the clearest net impact. Driven and finesse shots deliver sharp contact sounds, while chipped shots add airy twang. Pick based on angle. Aim for the net's sweet spot and hold power between 70 and 85% to get punch without muffling the audio. Time your strike for high-impact animations like volleys or headers. Finally, switch to a close camera or broadcast angle to pick up subtle resonances. That combination makes the net sound sing. Finish by capturing and adjusting. Record several goal clips and listen critically. Normalize levels so you can compare, then apply a gentle EQ boost between 2 and 6 kHz to highlight net snap. Make sure your headset, DAC, or TV is not compressing the signal. Hardware limits can kill detail. If the sound is muffled, reduce in-game reverb, lower master by 5 to 10%, and raise effects. Retest right away. This troubleshooting tip fixes most issues, so the net finally sounds alive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.